Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update all apps on Android. So if you have a quite number of outdated applications on your Android phone, and now you want to update all the applications at once, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to update all apps on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. On the App Store, click on the profile icon at the top right. Then click on Manage Apps and Device. Under Manage Apps and Device, make sure Overview is selected. Then you should see all available updates. In this case, I have about 19 outdated applications that needs to be updated. If you click on See Detail, then you should see all the outdated applications. Now, to update all of these apps once, all you need to do is click on Update All under Overview, or better still, come here and click on See Details. Once you click on See Details, click on Update All at the top right. And then you should see all the application updating. Now you need to hang on until all the applications are updated and then you are good. So that's exactly how to update all apps on Android. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.